Hello guys, and welcome to another video. So in this one I have another laptop for you, and believe me, I haven't read even the model. So this is an Lenovo V15. It has an Intel i3 processor, 8 GB of RAM and SSD built in, TN panel, and it has a DOS, not a Windows. So let's see what's inside and how this laptop looks. If you are interested in the AMD version of this laptop, I have unboxed it earlier, so you can check it on my channel. So first of all, cables. So you can see that it is a compact brick near the wall, not in the middle of the cable, and you have this standard plug. So that's all from this side. And let's see if we can manage to pull this laptop. Okay. Nothing else in the box. The laptop itself. So this is okay. So here is the laptop itself, and you can see this is some kind of textured material. Not sure, can camera pick that up? And we have a Lenovo branding here on the back side. That same material, we have vent openings here, 4 legs, nothing special, and if you look on the side, there is a power adapter plug-in switch here, HDMI, and this seems to be USB 2.0, and these two are 3.0 ports. You can see LED light for power and for charging. Next we have bottom firing speakers, and on this side this seems to be a microphone and 3.5 headphone jack and SD card reader. So actually the laptop is completely on this type of material. It feels nice, it's okay, decent. And when we open it up, and here we have more of that same material, and we have another logo here, branding Lenovo, your standard touchpad, Intel i3 branding, your numpad, and your standard keyboard. And that's pretty much it. You can see the bezels are here, slightly slimmer, slightly bigger here, and your webcam is on the top. So with that I will end this video and leave you with some close-up shots of this laptop. So enjoy.